So I'll be showing you how to shoot slow motion videos on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Now I'm using the Ultra, but this should work on all the Galaxy S24s. So to shoot slow-mo videos, all you have to do is launch the camera. And in the camera app, you should see photos by default, okay? So to get into the slow-mo mode, you want to go to this menu at the top here. I mean at the bottom, tap on more. So when it's in photos, you should see there's a menu here. So go to more, and then you should see these options. Just tap on slow motion, okay? And that's going to load up the slow-mo camera, as you can see. So we have slow motion here, and all you have to do is tap to record slow motion videos, okay, and stop. Now at the top right corner, you can change the slow motion speed and resolution. So if you tap on that, you can see we have size, which is resolution, and then FPS, which is the frame rate. So you can have Ultra HD, which is 4K at 120 frames per second, which is pretty impressive on the S24 Ultra. But then also you can have Full HD, which is 1080p at either 120 frames per second or even 240 frames per second, okay? So you have those two options you can play around with and find what suits you best. Now I prefer to have Ultra HD, which is 4K at 120 FPS, and shooting slow-mo videos is so much fun, and that's how to do it, okay? So once you choose your resolution, all you have to do is find something you want to catch in slow motion, tap on record, and stop. Now I have a slow motion video I just captured a couple of minutes ago, this one right here, and this one was in 4K, and let's look at how good it looks. There you go. It's a very short video, but it looks great. Okay, so that's basically how to shoot slow-mo videos on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.